Hello everyone. Today we will try to understand one important functions working with dates, especially when you have something to find some difference between 2 days with excluding holidays or excluding Saturday, Sunday, something like that. It's very tough job. Let's try to understand in a easiest way. So here you can see for sample purpose I have taken some project start date and project end date. So, if you want to know what is the difference between these two, you can directly subtract from this like this. You will get something called 29. But this 29 is not excluding any holidays and not excluding any weekends, something like that. So, but we have a for that we have another function called networking days. Networking days is a function where you have to select start date, you have to end date, and you will get some number that's called 22. That is 22 working days. And the problem with networking day function is only excludes Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday is the default weekends for networking day function. And what if I have a weekends of Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, something like that? In that case, we have another function which is called networking day INTL, where you can choose your list of weekends, which is Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, anything you can choose, right? For example, Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or only Sunday. You can select this one, and I'm not keeping holidays right now because that's an optional argument. Close. Look at that. That's a 26. If I have only Sundays, but even though there is a one problem. So if you look at this particular list, I have Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, and all the list, but I don't have a different combination of list, something like that, Sunday and Wednesday, or Monday, or something like that, Friday, different combination. In that case, we should go for one logic that you mentioned double quotes, and there is a one logic called 0 1. 0 stands for it's a working day, and 1 stands for it's a holiday, and the week starts from Monday to Sunday. So let's say I'm giving 0 at the start, that means Monday is a working day, and 1 I'm giving, that's a Tuesday's holiday, and one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this 0 1 0 1 combination you can do. Look at that, only one holiday. If I give all as one, 7 ones, 7 weeks, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Look at that, that is 0 because 1 means holidays, all are holidays, then that case you will get 0, right? So this is the simplest way to find difference between two dates excluding a specific day or excluding specific holidays, excluding weekends. You can go with this function called networkdays.intl. Trust me guys, this is a very important update where even experienced people also don't know about this one. Try to use it. It's very easy. Thank you and subscribe for more something and new updates. And please keep on encouraging me. Thank you.